Today we are going to make this very delicious okra soup. I used two different vegetables, ugu and uziza leaf. Oh, so yummy. Keep watching, let's begin. So in a clean pot, you're going to go in with any protein of your choice. I'm using some snail, already washed. Now going with some onion, seasoning, salt, some pepper and hot water. The hot water is going to ensure that your snail remains crunchy after cooking. So stir this in, cover and continue to cook. I'm going to cook this for about 10 minutes while I go ahead to prep the veggies. So over here I have the ugu, also known as fluted pumpkin leaves, and the uziza leaves. Please use any vegetable of your choice. You can use kale, you can use spinach, any vegetable that is available to you. Now wash this thoroughly. I washed multiple times till the water ran clear. Then I'm going to slice and set aside. Today's special hug is for Kasham Paul, watching from Plateau State. Thank you for that beautiful comment. Please let me know where you're watching from. After a few minutes, this was 10 minutes later, I'm going to stir on this, then add my fish. This one is manla fish, already deboned. Use any fish. Smoked mackerel fish is also very delicious for the soup. Next, I added a bit more pepper, add some ground crayfish, then I'm going to go in with a bit more seasoning, add your palm oil. I'm going to now add some fermented locust beans or dawa. But let me tell you, these fermented locust beans took this soup to a whole new level. Stir this in gently and then cover for it to come back to a boil. At this time, I come check on the soup. You guys, the aroma at this point was given, nose blinding. So for the okra, I divided it into two parts and blended one part smooth like this. This is because I needed the soup to be really drawy. Now once you stir this in properly, you're going to now add the sliced one. So I blended one part and then I sliced one part, to make it look good. This one will give us that viscosity while the sliced one will give us the crunch. So add it now and then add the vegetables. One thing I would have done differently was add the uziza leaf earlier. To me, uziza is more like a herb, so when you add it early, it will give it enough time to release all its beautiful flavor into the soup. So add it the same time you add the palm oil and let it simmer down. Add the okra, then come back and add the ugu, okay? So I'm going to stir everything well now to combine. Now everything is properly combined. I'm going to let it simmer for about 3 minutes, not more than 3 minutes. You don't want to overcook the okra and the veggies as well. Once it simmers, I'll take it off the heat immediately. Soup is ready. Tell me in the comment, what is your best pair for okra soup? I love it with eba. Something with eba and okra soup that just hits differently. Let me know your thoughts in the comment. Thank you for watching. Bye.